Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super cool, super easy bookmark. I have a neat way to show you on how to laminate it so it's waterproof, and it can be customized to any sentence, phrase, or picture you want. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and leave any comments or questions below. Let's get started.
Things you will need to make your own customized bookmark are paper, scissors, a hole puncher, something to write, draw, or color with, packaging tape, and some thread. First, take your piece of paper and cut out a strip to the size and shape you would like your bookmark to be. Once done, write or draw whatever you would like to have on your bookmark. Once done, cut a piece of packaging tape and place it on top of your bookmark. Repeat this on the back of your bookmark and cut off the excess tape. Once done, punch a hole near the top of your bookmark. To create your tassel, grab a bunch of thread and wrap it around a square piece of paper. I'm using a notepad. Start at the side of the paper in the center and wrap it around about 20 times. When you finish, make sure you end on the side you started and trim off the excess. Then take another piece of thread and tuck it underneath all of the other threads and bring it to the end of the paper. Then tie a tight knot. Then remove it from your piece of paper. Grab another strip of thread, place it underneath all the other threads, just below the top of the knot, and tie a tight knot again. Wrap the excess ends around the knot, each in opposite directions. Then tie another tight knot. Let the excess hang down and cut the base of your tassel to the desired length you'd like it to be. Next, place the tassel string at the top through the hole in the top of the bookmark and tie a knot. Trim off the excess and you're done!
Watching my video. Please remember to give a thumbs up if you like this video, share it to anyone who you think might be interested, and leave any comments or questions below. And don't forget to subscribe to keep updated with all of my latest tutorials. I hope you come back to see my next DIY. Bye!